In the markets, one stock that we're watching today is Playboy. Playboy's founder and controlling shareholder Hugh Hefner is taking that company private. John Erlichman joins me now with the details. John?
Margaret, the stock getting a big bounce on this news today that the company has agreed to this offer from Hugh Hefner of $6.15 a share. This is a story that's been going on for a long time because it was last summer when Hugh Hefner said he wanted to take the company private, but at a lower price, $5.50 per share. A lot of people wondered whether or not somebody else might come out with an offer. Friend Finder, the owner of Penthouse, came out with an offer which is actually still a little higher than this one we're getting today of $6.25. Still, the board of Playboy saying they went with this one in part because you have to have the controlling shareholder on board to get a deal done, and because they think that keeping him in charge is probably going to be the best thing for this brand, Margaret.
So it's interesting because we had heard so many reports for the past year of other companies looking at perhaps an acquisition of Playboy. But from what I understood from talking to some of them, the sticking points were about some of the TV entities, particularly in Latin America, and some of the more porn-related things. I mean, the brand itself is perhaps rated R, but elsewhere outside U.S. borders, it's a little bit more X-rated.
Yeah, well, and that's where the growth is. And for Hugh Hefner, look, this is a stock that's had a miserable performance over the last 5 years. The market hasn't been interested in it because traditional media stuff like circulation has just totally bottomed out. However, their licensing revenue has really been the bright spot. In the last quarter, for example, it was a fifth of their revenue. About 5 years ago, it was about half of that amount. So that's what's expected to continue for the company. They'll go around the world, try and squeeze more money out of that bunny brand, and we'll see how it plays out. Margaret?
All right. Thank you very much, John.